Rowlf the dog and BFDI Plush show, season 7. That little Miss Princess scared of tennis ball image does not support Papa Louie Pals. What the heck? What's this little Miss Princess thing? Where'd you get scared of tennis ball? I don't know why she's scared of me. In fact, I'm a cute tennis ball. Tennis ball's eye is close up. Oh man, I think King Gator has exploded his Nikes. What the heck? I didn't explode my Nikes. I think you get the KFC if you don't explode your Nikes. Tennis ball, what are you doing? I came here in the explosive fart in the cage. Stop saying fart, okay? You explosive boy. Fiery Jr., stop being mean to tennis ball. You just get exploded. Get the Einstein commercial rolling. Ow. That little Miss Princess scared of tennis ball image does not support Papa Louie Pals. Spoil yoil cake. We stop saying that word. This is exploding. Why do you keep saying that? He freed the coke. I feel like you're gonna get the feed in the feet. I don't know why they never produced me as a plot. You're getting the KFC. Explode. This New Orleans kid. Wait, where's my face? I think you're getting crazy. Why eat KFC? I just dropped my camera. It just got me. I don't make it. The bent fiery is ascending me.